all of these fiat monies by design are losing purchasing power value, and 1 trillion times zero is zero. But gold is the proven inflation protector. They can manipulate these markets any way they want to, but history shows us over and over and over, 100% of the time, that physical gold in your possession protects you, not just from inflation, but from all the garbage that's happening with all of these governments as well.
Gold and silver investors like to buy precious metals to secure their investments during recessions and other financial crises. But is it worth it? Does your portfolio benefit from diversifying and investing 10 to 15% of your wealth in gold and silver, bullion, and coins? In today's video, we'll tell you why Lynette Zang says that central bank is not going to save us if we don't own gold and silver. But before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe to our channel and press that bell icon to never miss an update. A lot of people think they can wait, or a lot of people think central banks will save them or the government will save them. It's too late. We are at the end of this experience with fiat currency, and they want to take us to a new experience. If you're going to lend someone money for 30 years, and don't you think you want to get paid more for it? This latest is the time value of money, the value of time when that currency loses purchasing power. The currency is dying, and that's what this inflation is all about. And what that tells us is that there's going to be a recession soon, because the yield curve started inverting in March, and we're already in July. Gold is a proven protector against inflation. They can manipulate these markets however they want, but history shows us over and over again that the physical gold in your possession not only protects you from inflation, but also from all the crap that goes on with all these governments. And what they want is for us to keep everything on their system, because then it makes it easy to take it away from us. It's important to understand that it's about the spot market and gold and stock markets, and that crypto is about perception management. They don't want us to have gold because when we have physical gold in our hands, they can't see anything. They can't trace anything about it. As inflation hits its highest level in 40 years, Wall Street is bracing for the possibility of interest rates rising even higher than expected. Fed short rates affect floating rate debt. That means credit cards, home equity lines of credit, adjustable rate mortgages, and auto loans. Consumers with credit cards are encouraged to pay off their debt as much as possible. Interest rates on adjustable rate mortgages should continue to rise as long as the Federal Reserve raises rates. Most ARMs adjust their interest rate every year, so owners whose ARMs haven't adjusted yet in 2022 can expect much higher rates soon. For homeowners who already have fixed rate mortgages, the rate hike will have no impact on their loans. If you're about to go into debt or restructure a loan you already have, financial professionals suggest closing the deal quickly to lock in current rates before they go up. If you're months away from a big purchase, financial professionals suggest waiting 6 months or longer, if you can, until interest rates are potentially lower. If the US economy falls or enters a recession, the Federal Reserve is likely to cut interest rates, making a variety of financial products cheaper than they are today. To varying degrees, both gold and silver can provide a hedge against potential economic or market downturns, as well as prolonged periods of rising inflation. Understanding the difference between how the two metals are used, their economic sensitivities, and their technical characteristics can help you determine which metal may benefit your portfolio.
It's critically important that you understand that this is all about the spot market in gold and the stock markets and the crypto market. It's all about perception management. They do not want you to hold gold, because when you hold physical gold in your hands, they can't see anything. They can't track anything about it. There's so many different things that are happening. It's hard to keep up with, but that's because we're at the end. You ever see any of those coin machines where it just goes around and around and around, and as it gets close to the center, it goes faster and faster and faster until it falls in? Well, we're in that faster part. We're definitely in that faster part. Get it done. Get it done while you still can. And remember, it is time to get your assets covered. The foundation is the gold and silver, but you need everything else too.
That's all for today. Let us know your views in the comment section below. And don't forget to like this video before leaving. Thanks for watching.